Scrum Elements, essentially we just say them 3, 3, 5, 5 for us to easily remember. 3 roles, 3 artifacts, 5 events, 5 values. What are the 3 roles in Scrum? The product owner, whose responsibility is to maintain the backlog. Backlog is nothing but a list of prioritized features. There is another role called Scrum Master, who is essentially responsible for enabling the team to be a high-performing team, developing the team's skills, coaching the team, facilitating the events in Scrum. Events or meeting we call them. And the third role is the development team, which is responsible for implementing the features and delivery of the features. 3 artifacts. The product backlog, nothing but the list of prioritized features. Sprint backlog, which is exclusively for the current sprint in focus. The sprint that is in execution, And the third is the product increment. 5 events that happen in Scrum. The very first event we just saw, sprint planning meeting, daily Scrum meeting, sometimes we call it daily stand-up meeting, sprint review meeting or sprint demo meeting, sprint retrospective, and the sprint backlog refinement meeting. The 5 values in Scrum: focus, openness, respect, courage, and commitment. The team has fewer items to focus. They are very open, they can ask questions, they can learn, they can suggest, they can express their opinions. It's a collaborative environment that we are in when we are working in Scrum. We have respect for each other, respect for the work and commitment that what we made, respect for what we are. And the team has the courage to take up any additional changes as suggested, because change is for customers' competitive advantage. And we have the courage that I'm not alone in the team, I have others to help, and so that I can learn and do my work better. And the team commits for their work. At the same time, the business people and the product owner also commits reciprocatively to ensure that the commitment that the team has made for the business do not change during the course of the sprint.